Hey guys, time for an easy one. Just got this smoked LED third brake light from Suparee to give the Jeep more of a stealth look. Alright, so let's get this installed. I first need to remove my Desert Does It Molly rack. Now we can loosen and remove the lug nuts. And then take off the spare tire. With the spare removed, we find these 8 T25 screws that we need to remove. The bracket just pops off. Lean it back to expose the 2 T25 mounting screws. Remove these, then you can lift up the light and disconnect the wiring harness. Then grab your new light, plug it in, and loosely fit the mounting screws. We're going to want to test that it's working before we button everything up, so just lean it forward and let's check it out. Alright, that looks great! So now let's just tighten down the mounting screws and pop the bracket into place. You'll have 8 T25 screws to put back with 2 longer screws that will go into the base. You can start with these first. Loosely fit all 8 screws and then hand tighten with the screwdriver. Check out that before and after. Nice! Now just grab your tire, mount it back on the carrier, fit and tighten your lug nuts, then I'll reinstall my Desert Does It Molly rack, and we're all set. Super simple, looks great. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.